With 3 times tagos linis. Dapat malinis, dapat tight.
Sarap ng kain. Sarap pa silang ulam. Tapos may milk tea pa sila. Galing, galing. Isa pa silang milk tea. Wow. Ngayon na lang po, iniyaw Uy, sa akin may milk tea rin naman ako eh. May milk tea ako. Ayan ang milk tea ko.
Ang Tuesday, tusok-tusok day.
Nag-yan pa?
At Wednesday,
Milk tea ko yan. Ito ang milk tea. Milk tea.
Ako, manis ko pa kalagyan.
It's 4 times B12 versus a generic brand.
Masarap na milk tea yan.
So symptoms don't bother you again. Be sure every day you're okay. Now more affordable in a solution.
Baka kumain lang kayo.
Christmas season is finally here.
Kumain. Masarap na milk tea gin. Milk tea gin. Masarap inumin. Papatanggal ng ubo.
Creamy special ito. May you have a special handaan with Lady's Choice.